Have you ever heard a lead on the radio or television that left you confused? That's because the lead was not effective enough. Let's learn how to create attention grabbing leads. Hi, back with me, Mariko Rizkiansyah. And this fourth model, we will learn how to create leads that attract the attention of the audience, both for radio and television. A good lead is the key to the success of your news. Let's discuss further. As we learned in the previous model, lead is the opening element in the news that aims to capture the audience's attention while providing a brief overview of the news content. In the context of radio and television, a strong lead ensures that the audience remain interested in listening or watching until the news ends. Audiovisual media requires leads that are not only informative, but also able to utilize the power of sound and visual to deliver the message effectively. The first steps in writing a lead is to capture the audience attention. You can use shocking facts, significant numbers, or important events to spark curiosity. For example, flash floods hit South Jakarta this morning, submerging hundreds of homes and forcing residents to evacuate. With a lead like this, the audience will immediately understand the urgency of the news. In radio and television, the lead should be brief and get straight to the point. Avoid confusing details or overly long sentences. Use a simple language to explain the main point. For example, fuel prices officially rose today, impacting millions of drivers across Indonesia. This lead is effective because it provides important information without being wordy. Since news is delivered orally, it is important to write leads that match the speaking style. Use language that is easy to understand and sounds natural when spoken. Avoid complex technical terms unless absolutely necessary. For example, the Indonesian national team recorded another glorious victory in tonight's match. This lead is simple and sound natural when read aloud. For television, the lead can include visual description that support the footage. Conversely, for radio, use words that evoke imagination and emotion in the audience. Example for television, the camera captured the dramatic moment when a helicopter rescued flood victim amid strong currents. Example for radio, heavy rain through the night causes the river to overflow, submerging nearby village. With this approach, the audience can visualize the situation you are describing. An effective lead usually answers one or several elements of 5W plus 1H. What, who, when, where, why, and how. Choose the most relevant elements for your news. For example, a 6.5 magnitude earthquake shocked Lombok this morning, causing widespread damage and casualties. With this format, the audience immediately gets important information from the start. In conclusion, writing leads for radio and television requires attention to the following elements. The lead must capture attention from the start, be brief, clear, and match the speaking style. Additionally, utilize audiovisual elements to enhance the appeal of your news. With an effective lead, your news will not only be engaging but also informative for the audience. Thank you for following this session and see you in the next learning sessions.